Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually change the language settings on your Startimes Decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and press on the M button, that's the menu button on your remote. Use the volume down or the arrow left key and then come to the other side. Here, come to the settings and press OK on it. And look through the settings menu, come to the language option over here, that's the default language, and you can press OK or use the arrow left and right keys to change it. So you have French over here, Portuguese, and other languages that you're gonna find over there. So you select your preferred language and you press on the exit button for you to actually save automatically, and you are done with it. So that's it. You go back to your menu and the language will be set on your decoder. So if you find this video helpful and new here, all you got to do is to subscribe, like the video, share on other platforms, and you'll be blessed. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless.